Good evening. In the last videos, we have seen very clearly about stack data structure, introduction to stack data structure, and examples for these stacks, and what are the common operations that we can able to perform on stack data structure also we have seen, and implementation of a stack. Okay, so how we are going to implement this stack? So with the help of some examples we have seen what is the first way, by using a predefined concept is there called list in Python, because in the list we have an option to perform insert operation and delete operation, so from the beginning or from the ending. Okay, both possibilities are there, right? If you want to insert in the beginning, we will use insert function with the index value as a 0. If you want to insert at the ending, we will use append function. Similarly, if I want to insert at the if I want to delete from the beginning, we will use index value as a 0 for the pop function. If we want to delete at the ending, we will use pop of -1. Okay, so on these operations we can implement a stack. A stack means what? It is going to follow, so last in first out. That means insertion will be there so at the last, and the deletion also will be there in the last in first out. The item which we are inserting last will be the item first we are going to access. This is nothing but how we can implement by using list. So that program I explained very clearly. Even so, there is one module is there in Python. The name of the module is nothing but a collections. In this collection, there is one special class is there with the name DQ. In that also we can perform the same operations. Sir, it is similar to list only. That part also we have seen. And how to implement a stack by our own list? Sir, I am going to create a list. In that, how to perform? Okay, even the implementation of a stack we have seen by using linked list. These are nothing but the various methods of implementing stack data structures. Under the applications, we have seen how the system calls are going to be stored, how it is going to execute. Then even so stack.py, a separate stack file we created, how to import that, okay, and how we can able to maintain student objects. I'm going to create some student objects, and I'm going to push all these student objects into the stack, and how we can able to perform delete operation, display operation. That part we have seen. And even, sir, we have seen how to insert, okay, into the stack by using sorting method. Generally, whatever object that you are going to insert, it will be always added at the top of the stack. But I don't want such a type of scenario. Suppose if I have a stack is there with some elements like, okay, already some element is there called 10. So next we have another element is there called 20. So next we have another element is there called 30. So now I'm trying to insert one more object. So that object is nothing but, let us consider 25. How we are going to insert this particular object? Sir, where we can insert? Generally, stack is going to insert at the top, but I don't want that. First pop this element and append at the ending. In this place, I want to take 25. Practically, it is not possible, but by comparing the elements, I mean, all the insert methods we can apply by using this sorted method. Okay, so that part we have seen how to implement that logic. And one second, yeah, sorted insertion. So based on this, how to sort stack elements also we have seen. These are the various operations that we performed in the last videos, sir. So now in today's session, I want to work with a few more examples. So what are those examples here is, let us create a Python file. Okay, I'm going to save this program in C drive. Okay, in C drive. So I'm going to create a folder called, so test. Within this test folder, I'm creating test.py. Like this we have. And in the same location, sir, I want to store one more file. What is the name of the file? Stack.py, because we know we are going to import that every time. Okay, so where is that stack.py file? We implemented as a part of this class, right? Like that we have. This is nothing but a stack class. So now the next operation which I want to perform here is, sir, bottom insert in the stack. Bottom insert in the stack. That means if you have a stack is there, if you are trying to insert any element, that element should be inserted in the bottom of the stack. Previously, what is the general approach of stack? It will always add the elements at the top, but I don't want that. I want to add the elements in the bottom. Already we have stack class is there. So now I'm going to import that stack. Now I created one stack. I am trying to push 444, 111, 222, 444 like this I have. So if you perform display operation, let us see what output we are going to get. So now I am executing. So py space test.py. So you can see the elements in the stack are nothing but 333, 222, 111, 444. Okay. So are these are the elements that we have? Are these are the elements that we have? Sir, latest inserted element is available here. If you perform delete operation also, this will be deleted first. Okay. So better in the display function, sir, for convenient purpose, what I will do is I will try to use println. Now you can see, sorry, not println, sorry, sir. So /n. Now is it going to display? Yes. This is nothing but a consider top of the stack. So if you perform pop operation, which item it is going to remove, sir? The item which is located at the top, that is nothing but a 333 is going to be removed. And you can see, so next and after that 333 is not there here. This is the general. So now my requirement is, I want to insert one element which is nothing but 999. Where this 999 is going to be added at the top of the stack. If you see that 999 added at the top, I don't want at the top. I want to insert at the bottom. That is nothing but my requirement. Okay. I want to insert at the bottom. For that, we have to write a special function. What is that function? Is nothing but bottom insert. Like this, I want to define a function. So what is the function name? So def bottom insert function I'm going to take, where it is going to receive some data, and we are going to check. Yeah. In addition to that, we have to pass a stack and then data. Sir, I am going to check whether stack is empty or not. Sir, how to check whether stack is empty? Already in the stack class, is empty function is we have defined. So is empty. It will return true when stack is empty. Sir, if a stack is empty, then we are trying to perform push operation of that data. Sir, if a stack is not empty, so what I'm going to do is, so I will store the topmost element. First, I will pop the element and I will store it in the temp. Then again, I will call bottom insert. Okay, by passing this stack comma, the element which we want to insert. The element that is nothing but the data. So after that, at the end, I'm going to perform pushing of this temporary variable. Sir, how we have performed in the sorted insertion? Same technique here also. But let us see how it is going to work. First, I will explain with one small example. See here, this is my stack initially, right? This is nothing but my stack initially. So what is the first element here we have? Consider this is nothing but my stack. Okay. So this is the first entry. This is the second entry. This is the third entry. This is the fourth entry. And consider this is nothing but our fifth entry. Like this we have. Sir, now already we have some insert operation. First we are pushing 444. Sir, is the 444 will be added at the beginning or not? Yes. Then we are adding triple one. Then we are pushing triple two. So then we are trying to insert triple three. But what is my requirement next one? If you perform display operation, the output is nothing but we are going to get a triple three. So followed by triple two, followed by triple one, and followed by triple four. This is my output, right? But I don't want output like this. Sir, I want to insert in the bottom. That means what? So after triple four, we need to insert this triple nine. If you perform generally, it will be added here, but I don't want to add here. Now see how application is going to work. First, we are going to pass this stack as it is. This is nothing but the stack what we have. I'm going to pass this stack as it is. And what is the data that I'm trying to insert? 999 is the data, right? We are passing this value. Now check, is my stack is empty? No, sir. So then what will happen? It will go to else and temp is equal to yes dot pop. Sir, temp is equal to yes dot pop. Try to pop this element and 333 is nothing but the popped item. Then again call bottom insert by passing this yes comma 999. One more time it is going to call. Now check, is my stack is empty? No, sir. Then temp is equal to yes dot pop. So t is equal to, what is a popped item, sir? 222. Then again we are calling yes comma 999. So this item is deleted. Next, is the stack is empty? No, sir. Then again your temp will become 111. So now yes comma, what is the value that we are going to insert, sir? 999 is the object that we are going to insert. Yes, this one is also popped. Then what will happen? Is my stack is empty? Yes. Then what will happen? Temp is equal to, we are popping the next element, which is nothing but a 444. Then again we are calling stack comma 999. Have you observed Python is going to maintain another stack for this method calls or not? Yes. Next, again we are calling yes of 999. Sir, is my stack is empty? Yes, boss, your stack is empty. Then immediately push the data. What is the data that you are trying to store, sir? 999 will be added. Then what will happen? Sir, all these method calls got completed, but this push operation is pending. How many times you called this bottom insert function? Those many times it is going to perform in the reverse order. What is the latest temp value? 444, right? That will be added. What is the next latest temp value? 111, that will be added. What is the next latest temp value? 322, that is nothing but pushed. Next one is nothing but 333. Like this we are going to get. Now what is the output of my program? We are going to get a 333 followed by 322 followed by 311 followed by 344 and followed by 999. So as you can see, the output what we are going to get is nothing but like this. Sir, is the bottom insert functionality, is it clear for you people? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir. Clear.
No doubts, right?
Yes,
sir.
no doubt, sir.
Right. Sir, now see how I am going to execute this code. I will give this image also. So let us see how we are going to execute this code. So here previously we have seen that 999 got added at the top. So now we are going to see where that 999 will be added. Okay. Sir, bottom insert is missing. Sir, we have to pass along with this stack also. Now you can see. Sir, is the 999 previously it got added at the beginning. Now it got at the ending. Like this we have. This is nothing but how to implement bottom insert. Sir, if you know these, then next operation will become very easy. What is the next operation? Reversing, reverse a stack. So it is a very common application, sir. Reversing a stack is nothing but a very common application. Sir, what is mean by reversing a stack? Suppose if I have a stack is there, so with the elements, consider the elements are nothing but, sir, 1, 2, and then 3. Like this, I have 3 elements are there. What is the output that we are going to get? Latest element and then 2 and then 1. Like this we are going to get. Sir, my expected output is nothing but, sir, 1, 2, 3. Like this we have to get. Means what? I am performing which operation? Reverse operation. Sir, very simple. Can I use like this? I can able to pop the topmost element and store it in a temporary variable and pop the next item, okay, and then store it in a temporary variable, pop the next item and store it in a temporary variable. So then whatever the latest temporary variable that we have, so try to add at the bottom. So one will be added at the bottom. Then again insert this one in the bottom. So two will move here and sorry. So this one is going to move here and two will come here. Already we know the logic, right? So then try to insert three. So where in the bottom? So that means one will come here, two will go here and three will come here. Now output a top element, next element, next element. Sir, is the concept is clear how to perform reverse operation? Only three steps. One is nothing but pop the topmost element until your stack will become empty. Then apply this bottom insert function from the reverse case. Got it, sir? Please confirm. If the logic is clear, I will write the program.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, is it mandatory to store it into the stack?
Yes, compulsory we have to store it into the temp.
Because
Otherwise, it is a
directly
recursion,
we
right?
you can use pop, then it will also give you like this only, no?
Yeah, we can do that. But I'm going to do the operations in the stack. In the stack, I need to get it. See, if my stack is 1, 2, 3, or so, suppose if I have a stack with one push operation of 1 and a push operation of 2, so push operation of 3. 3 items I pushed. Then what will happen? First we inserted 1, then 2, then 3. This is the stack, right?
Yes.
So if you display what is output, a topmost element, next element, next element.
Yes.
But I need to do modification in the stack itself. Okay, so that my stack elements should be like this. So if you print now 1, 2, 3. So we are, I can say the stack is existed in both the cases, but the operation which you are telling is nothing but we have to pop the elements at the time of popping, we can display. That's what you are telling, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but here I want to store that content. That is my requirement.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Sir, here the middle image t equal to 3, t equal to 2, t equal to 1. I think after t equal to 1, then t equal to 2, then t equal to 3, sir.
In the reverse order only it will add. First pop item is nothing but 3. Then popped item is 2. Then popped item is 1. So first we will insert 1. First it will be inserted 1. Then we are going to insert 2 because in the reverse order only it will evaluate, right? Because the function executed like this, but recursion will go like this. So t is equal to 1. Then we are calling bottom insert for this 2. That means bottom insert means what? Here we have to add 2. Automatically 1 will come here. Just a previous example. Then bottom insert of 3. 1 will come here, 2 will go here, 3 will come here. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes. Got
See,
it.
one simple logic, sir. Wherever reverse is required, highly recommended to go for this stack. Now, let us see how we are going to implement a program for this. Sir, the operations are clear. We need bottom insert function. That's why I will keep that function as it is. So reverse stack. We have to pass only stack. Now I am checking. Is my stack is empty or not? If it is empty, okay, if it is empty, okay, so then we can't perform, right? If it is not empty, that means I can say if not of stack dot is empty, then what I am going to do? I will pop one item from the stack. Yes, it will be popped. That will be stored in the temp. Then again, I will call reverse stack by passing yes. So it will keep on executing. It will store the temporary values. At last, what we have to do? We need to call bottom insert by passing the stack comma which value? Temp value. That's all. Sir, now you can see better. I will remove this ln function, sir, so that we can able to get clarity. Now, sir, here I called display function 2 times. You can see what is output: 333, 322, 311, 344. So now in between this, I'm going to call reverse stack. Just I'm passing stack yes. Now what will happen? Is the elements in the stack are reversed or not? Yes. This is the way, sir, how we can able to reverse these elements present in the stack. I think you people got idea how to do this reverse operation. Everyone please confirm, is it clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I request everyone to please respond. Is it clear up to this whatever I covered?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Right. So next one, which is a very, very important interview question, sir. What is that question? Is reverse a stack. Okay, reverse a stack by using Q, but actually Q is not yet covered. But remember, our stack is going to follow which technique? LIFO, last in first out, but Q you know very well. So our
First in,
Q
first out.
is going to follow FIFO,
First
first in, first out. The item which we are inserting first, that is the item which we are going to remove first. Sir, now reversing a stack by using this Q is a very easy operation, sir. Okay, sir, how we are going to do that? We will see one example. What I am going to do is I will take the same, let us push. So 111, 222, 333, 444, and 555. Sir, we pushed five items. Now, if you see these five items are as it is available, I want to reverse this now. I don't want to do these functions. I want to implement by using Q. Okay, I want to implement by using Q. Let us see how we can able to do that. Sir, for this, I have collections module is there. So from collections, okay, from collections, I am going to import. Sir, what is the method that I am going to take is, I will create a queue. Okay, so queue is equal to, I am creating one empty queue like this. Sir, now while, so whatever stack that we have given, whatever stack that you have given, we are going to check is empty. It will return true, right? But I want false. Until your stack is not empty, until your stack is not empty, then I am trying to add the object into the queue. Which object, sir? We have to pop one item from the stack. That object I am going to add it into the queue. So from stack import star. Sir, here you can see what is the operation that is going to be carried out. Sir, consider I have a stack is there. So the stack contains some three elements are there inside this. And to reverse this stack, what I am going to do, I will maintain a queue. So now what is the capacity of queue? How many elements are there in the stack? Those many elements. So consider the elements are nothing but we have 1, 2, 3 is there. Sir, what is the operation? I created one queue that is nothing but this one, and this is nothing but the stack what we have. Until stack is not empty. Is the stack is empty? No, it is not empty. Try to perform pop operation. Remove these 3. That 3, try to add it into the queue. It will be added here. Sir, only one line. Is the stack is empty? No. Try to pop one more item. So now the item which is popped is 2. Try to push it into the queue. Then pop one more item. So 1 that is added into the queue. Like we are going to get the elements in the queue. Sir, now my stack is empty or not? Yes, my stack become empty. Now what we have to do? Whatever operation you have performed, same operation we have to do in the reverse. While not of, already we have queue is there, right? Queue here is empty method is implemented like this. In the predefined style, is empty method is implemented like this. Sir, while not of queue dot is empty, that means if the queue is not empty, then what we have to do? We have to remove one element from the queue, sir. Okay, we have to remove one element from the queue, and what we need to do? We have to push it into the stack. Very simple operation. That's all, sir. Nothing more than this. Now see in the red color, I am writing whatever modifications. Is queue is empty? No. try to remove one item. Which item it is going to remove? Not one, because the latest inserted object is nothing but what? One. It is not going to remove one, because first inserted object it will remove. It will remove 3. That 3 will be pushed into the stack. Now, sir, what we are going to do? We are going to check whether is the queue is empty. No. Remove the next item, which will become 2. Try to push. Remove the next item. Try to insert into the queue. Sir, now you can see what is the operation that we have performed here. This is nothing but the beginning stack, and now this is nothing but the stack. Is all the elements in the stack got reversed or not? Yes. Let me call this function, sir. I'm going to call reverse stack by passing yes as the argument. Let me cross check. Sir, name queue is not defined. Maybe from collections only it is available, right? If queue is not there, then we have to implement manually. Can you please cross check, is the queue is there in the collections module or is it a DQ? Can you please cross check?
Yes, queue is there, but it is not in collection.
Hmm.
It is not in collection. We are having separate module, which is queue. From queue, import queue.
Yeah, correct. From
Queue is small queue.
yeah, small
Import
queue,
star.
import capital Q.
Yeah.
Class.
Yeah. No. Actually, in that we need to add. There is no any add function. We are having put and get function.
One second.
Instead of add, remove, like put, use put function. In this queue, we are having put function.
Yeah. Put and then get functions,
Yeah,
right?
put
Yeah,
and get
correct.
functions are there. And one more thing, while creating queue object, we need to give, no, not there. While creating queue object, we need to put one more thing, like size of the queue. Whatever it is mandatory.
Is it mandatory?
Yes, we need to give how many sizes there of that queue. Max size is equal to 3, like that. Max size is an attribute and that
we can give any size, right?
yeah, max size
not.
yes is equal to whatever.
Okay, let it be 5. Now let us cross check whether it is going to work or not. Queue has no object. For empty, there is a separate method, I think so.
Yeah, it is queue dot empty.
Nah, yeah, this e underscore is not there, right?
Yes, it is not there. Yes. It is empty only. Queue dot empty.
Yeah, now you can see the elements which are present in the stack got reversed. This is nothing but what we have. So can you please confirm, is this reversing a stack by using this queue? Is it clear for everyone, sir?
Yes, sir.
Is reversing a stack by using this queue? Is it clear for everyone? Please confirm.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, assume now I am going to do one small operation, sir. What is that operation? Is, sir, I want to reverse. Okay, I want to reverse k elements in the stack. Okay, reverse k elements in stack. So I have a stack is there. So with the full content, I want to reverse only k elements. For example, 555. So 666 is there. So 777 is there. Assume I want to reverse only last 3 items. Okay, I want to reverse only 3 items. Then we are going to parse reverse stack. In addition to that, we are going to pass one more attribute called 3. That 3 is nothing but what, sir? The value of k. K elements we are going to reverse. So initially, so here I am going to declare one special variable called I, which is equal to 1 until your stack is not empty. Until your stack is not empty. And one more condition I'm checking. What is that condition? The value of I should be less than or equal to k. If this condition is not, if this condition is satisfied, then pop the items from the stack and then push it into the queue. Okay. Then after doing this operation, we have to increment I value also, right? Now immediately what will happen? I value is going to be incremented. So how many times this popping the item from stack is going to be happen? Suppose if you have given the last 3 elements, for I is equal to 1, it is going to do. For I is equal to 2, it will do. For I is equal to 3, it will do. So those elements are stored in the stack, in the queue, in first out manner. Now, if you pop from the queue, which item is going to remove the first item? That item is going to be pushed into the stack. So in the stack pushing operation, we are not required to do anything. Now let me cross check, sir. Sir, have you observed? So 777, 666, 555, 444, 333, 322, 311. I am reversing only first 3 elements. 555, 666, 777. Sir, is the remaining elements are as it is available or not? Yes. This is nothing but how to reverse last k elements in the stack. Okay. So I think this is also a very simple operation, sir. What we have done, just we have added one extra variable called a k. Based on that, we performed the operation. I request everyone to please confirm. Is the concept is clear for you people, friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Sir, I think by using backtracking also we can reverse the entire stack
Yeah,
also.
yeah, that is a separate process,
Yes.
right?
Not application.
Yes. Sir, now my next operation here is, sir, balanced parenthesis. One more application is there of this stack, which is nothing but a balanced parenthesis. Okay, balanced parenthesis. Sir, what is mean by balanced parenthesis? You know very well. Okay, balanced parenthesis means we are going to give a parenthesis and we have to check whether it is a balanced parenthesis or not. Sir, tell me, is it is a balanced parenthesis?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. And this one is also a balanced parenthesis, sir. This one is also a balanced parenthesis. Now I am taking like this. Can you tell me, is it balanced parenthesis?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, it is the
Yes.
balanced parenthesis. Now I am taking open bracket. Okay. So next closed bracket. 1 second. Now I am taking open bracket, closed bracket, open bracket, closed bracket. Is it a valid parenthesis?
Yes.
Is it valid or invalid? Please
No.
cross
Yes.
check once.
Valid.
Is it
Yes.
valid or invalid?
Valid one.
Valid.
Hmm?
Valid.
It is a valid parenthesis. Now I am taking open parenthesis. This one. Again I am taking this one. Again I am taking this one. Again I am taking this one. Now I am taking this one. Is it valid, the parenthesis?
Invalid.
Valid.
Valid.
Oh, who
Invalid.
is telling valid? It is invalid.
Invalid.
Because you
Invalid.
can cross check the parenthesis which you have opened, corresponding closed parenthesis should be there. Okay. Sir, we can check by using stack, sir. Okay, it is a very easy operation and it is one of the application of a stack. Let us see how we are going to do that. In the first case, what I will do is, whenever we are getting open parenthesis, we will push it into the stack. Whenever we are getting open parenthesis, we will push it into the stack. Whenever we are getting closed parenthesis, and we will check the item present in the stack. Okay, sir, if it is closed parenthesis and the corresponding open parenthesis is available in the stack, means then we can remove that item from the stack, sir. Okay, we can remove that item from the stack and don't do any operation. At last, check whether it is a empty stack or not. Is my stack is empty or not? Yes, then it will become valid. Sir, now I am taking one more example. I mean, second one I am taking. So second one, I'm creating a stack. So now try to scan the data from the left to right. We got open parenthesis. Try to push it into the stack. Then, sir, I got closed parenthesis. Check whether corresponding open parenthesis is there or not. Yes, pop this item. Don't do any operation. And check after coming out from this, is the stack is empty or not. Yes, then it is a valid parenthesis. Now take the next one. We are going to push this value into the stack. Then corresponding open parenthesis came. So then pop this item and give the information saying it is a valid parenthesis. So now we are taking a big stack. First we got an open parenthesis, push it into the stack. Then we got another open parenthesis, which is nothing but a square brackets, push it into the stack. Next, cross check whether you have got one closed bracket. Is it is pop the item from a stack. Sir, is it corresponding open parenthesis or not? Yes. Then pop the item and don't do any operation. Check whether stack is empty or not. Sir, my stack is not empty. Then what we have to do? Again, still expressions are there. You need to cross check. Sir, closed parenthesis is there. So check whether the top of the element in the stack is the same. Yes, then pop. Don't do any operation and check whether expression scanning is completed or not. Yes. Now check is my stack is empty. Yes, sir. Then it is a valid parenthesis. Now, so take the next one. Sir, I have, please listen carefully. First one, I got open parenthesis. Sir, we pushed this and we got closed parenthesis and pop the item. Is it same as a pushed item or not? Yes. Then it is a valid. Sir, the data is not yet completed. Take one more item. Sir, now push this item into the stack. Corresponding closed parenthesis came or not? Yes. Then pop item. Now come out from this. Is the scanning completed? Yes. Is my stack is empty? Yes. Then we can say this is nothing but valid parenthesis. Now, sir, last one I am taking a stack. First, I will push this open parenthesis. Then again, open parenthesis came. So that is nothing but square brackets I pushed. Then, sir, one more parenthesis came. That is nothing but a flower bracket. I pushed into the stack. Then open, sorry, closed flower bracket we need to get, but a closed square bracket we got. Now check the item which we scanned is nothing but a closed bracket. Corresponding open bracket should come. If corresponding open bracket is not there in the top, then immediately I'm going to return false. No need to check further expressions. Directly I'm going to return saying false, it is invalid. Like this, we can implement these by using which data structure, sir? Stack data structure. I think the terminology is clear for you people. If you are okay with this, I will take a Python program for implementation purpose. Please confirm, is it clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now try to take this example.
Sir,
Let us,
if
yes.
suppose,
Hmm. Hmm.
Fina 2 you can see, right? So there is a curly normal brackets into square brackets. So if
Sir,
suppose
tell me your expression, sir.
square bracket of
Okay.
normal bracket,
Okay.
normal parenthesis. Yeah,
Okay.
now normal closed parenthesis.
Okay.
Now square bracket.
Okay.
Is it true, sir?
Yes, sir. Why? Because if you take a stack, first it will push this item, right?
Yeah.
It is pushed into the stack. Then it will scan this one. It is not closed parenthesis. It is a open parenthesis. It will push. Then what will happen? We encountered closed parenthesis. In the top corresponding open parenthesis is there or not? Yes. Pop this item. Then scan the next item, which is nothing but a closed flower bracket. Is the top of the stack is open parenthesis or not? Yes. Scan. Sir,
Yes.
scanning is completed. Now this stack is empty. We can return true. Got it?
Got it, sir.
Right. Let us go for implementation of this particular program, how we can able to do. Sir, very simple. Here also we have to use the concept of stack. I'm calling, okay, I'm defining a function balanced, okay, balanced parenthesis, okay, balanced parenthesis function I'm taking, where I will give a string. or I can say expression. Okay, I'm giving some expression, sir. Expression in the sense a string only. So why we need to get confusion? Let us take, oh, some people may feel it is a stack. Let us take expression only. Sir, I have an expression. So this expression is a string, right? Can I take, so for each character present in the expression, will this loop is going to get one by one character or not? Yes. But before doing this, I'm going to create a stack. Sir, I don't want all these things. I will go with a simple mechanism. I will create a empty list. Is it a, can I use this list as a stack or not? Yes. Now I'm going to check every character present in the expression. I'm checking if the character whatever we got is equal to, so open parenthesis, or the character what we got, is it open I mean square bracket, or the character whatever we got is it open flower bracket. If any one of these three came, okay, if any one of these three came, then what we have to do? Yes dot, I'm trying to append that character into the stack, sir. I'm trying to append that character into the stack. Sir, okay, performed, no problem. Sir, other than this, any other character came means definitely it should be closed parenthesis only. Else, if the character which we got is closed parenthesis, Now, try to pop the item from the stack. It will return always topmost element. Sir, if it is not equal to, okay, if it is not equal to open parenthesis, okay, if it is not equal to open parenthesis, then what is the meaning? Sir, it is not valid parenthesis, immediately return false. Return false. Sir, if whatever parenthesis that we encountered is closed parenthesis like this, or closed flower square bracket, then check is the element which you have got from the stack, is it corresponding open parenthesis or not? If it is not, then return the false. Okay, sir, if it is closed parenthesis, then what will happen? The condition will become false. It won't do any operation. It will get next character from the expression. Anyway, we popped the item, right? That's why there is no issue. Sir, if the character what we got is nothing but flower bracket, and if s dot pop is not equal to, okay, is not equal to open parenthesis, then what we are going to do? So we are going to return false. Sir, this process completed. We fetched open parenthesis, we got closed parenthesis, everything I collected. Sir, now what we are going to do? So every operation completed. If expression is over, then only we have to take the decision. Because if the expression contains some characters, I mean some brackets, but corresponding matching is not there, still that brackets will be there in the stack. Once if the expression got completed, at last we are going to return, sir, length of the stack. If the length of the stack is 0, all the elements got popped, right? Automatically, that particular expression is nothing but correct. Like that, we can take a decision. Now consider I am calling this balanced parenthesis by passing a string like this. Sir, is it a balanced parenthesis or not? Yes, we know my expected output is true. Sir, I am giving square brackets here. Yes, it is going to return true. Sir, within this flower bracket, yes, it is going to return true. Sir, now I am taking like this. Sir, is it valid parenthesis? No, immediately we are going to get false. Let me check 3 trues and the last one is false. A very simple application, sir. Nothing is there here. Just parenthesis validation we have done. Beyond
Hello.
that, nothing is there.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Sir,
We
tell
have
me, sir.
we have not taken the common condition. For example, if I am taking only one close bracket, in that case, we cannot perform pop operation. It will raise an error at that point.
That means you are telling in the input expression, if you have only one
Yes, yes,
like this, what will
yes,
happen?
yes, yes. It will raise
In
an
the,
error.
yeah, 1 second. So for each character in expression, yes, this one is there, right?
Yes,
Then this condition is not satisfied. This condition is going to be satisfied.
yes,
We are trying to get the data from
Empty list will
stack.
give you an
Yes,
error.
yes, we are going to get empty list. We can check, sir. If you want, you can add one
According
more
to
condition.
along with elif condition, we can check the length.
Yeah,
If
yeah,
length
that's
is
what.
greater than 0, then we can pop. Otherwise, we can
Yes,
not
yes, yes, we can do that.
pop. Okay, okay, clear, sir.
Right. Yeah, sir, please confirm everyone. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
Is the balanced parenthesis application, is it clear for everyone? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So the next one, what we have here is, sir, you know very well, we have came to almost main concept of these stacks, sir. That is nothing but infix expression, prefix expression, and postfix expressions. Okay. So representation, I can say representation of expressions in programming. Generally, how we are going to represent the expressions in the programming, you know very well. It will be represented in the form of infix, prefix, postfix. Okay. So what is mean by infix expression? We know infix expression is nothing but first we are going to take operand. First we are going to get operand. Operand will be there. After that we are going to take operator, and at last operand will be there. So the operator will come in the middle if you take any infix expression. In the infix expression, operator is going to come in the middle, sir. And the next one, sir, I'm going to represent prefix. The name itself is giving clarity where operator is going to come in the beginning, and then operand will come, and then operand will come. So if you take postfix, what will happen? First we are going to get operand, next we are going to get operand, at last we are going to get operator. This is nothing but the three forms are there for representing an expression. Sir, if you take some example for easy understanding purpose, I'm going to take some example. Let us see how we can able to do that. Sir, first one, I will represent in infix form. Later, I will convert that into prefix. Later, I will convert that into postfix. Sir, if we are going to take a simple expression, sir. For example, consider my expression is a plus b. So you can say it is a expression which is written by the programmer. Just our representation also same, right? We are going to represent any addition operation in this style only. Okay, like where we will take operator in the middle and operands in the beginning and ending. Sir, what is the prefix format for this? Very simple. First we have to take operator and then operands. What is a postfix? AB plus. This is a very simple scenario that we can able to understand. A plus B plus AB, AB plus, like this. Sir, next one, I'm going to give some complex expression. Okay, what is a complex expression is, listen carefully. Sir, A plus B. Okay, A plus B. Okay, A plus B into, okay, B into C I am taking. Like this I am taking. Sir, how this expression is going to be evaluated? How this expression is going to be evaluated? In the prefix, we are going to represent like plus A star BC. Okay, in the postfix notation, ABC star plus. Sir, in the infix we have parenthesis is there, but in prefix and postfix there is no parenthesis. Yes, in the prefix notation and postfix notation, parenthesis is not there. Only for our understanding purpose, we are going to put the parenthesis in our expressions. But system is going to ignore these parentheses and it will convert into either prefix or postfix format. Then it will do the evaluation. So how we can convert this infix to prefix and infix to postfix means we have to take the help of stack only. Okay, how the evaluation is going to be done? For that only we have to take stacks. That is nothing but the common scenario what we have. Okay, sir, I will go with one more thing. Like A plus B I am taking within brackets, into C I am taking. Now what will happen? Sir, you can see the prefix format for this is nothing but star plus ABC we are taking. Postfix format is nothing but AB plus C star. Sir, how you remembered all these things? It is a very simple, sir. Already we know how that process is going to be happen. Anyway, I will explain the procedure how we can convert infix into prefix and infix into postfix. I will explain the process, then you can able to convert any type of expression. Can you please confirm, is the concept is clear for you people? First of all, theory part, then I will go with the programming approach. Is the concept is clear, friends?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, now I will explain first theoretical process. We will practice some examples, 1 or 2 examples. So then we will go with the practical approach. Okay. I mean programmatic approach. Please concentrate well. It is a very, very important. So what is the heading here is steps to convert. Okay. Steps to convert infix expression into postfix form. Okay, we are writing infix expression into postfix form. That algorithm we are going to discuss now. Let us see, sir. So first point here is nothing but first rule is nothing but we have to print operands. We have to print operands in the same order. In the same order they appear. Okay, in the same order they appear or they arrive. So means what? From the input, in which order they are coming, in the same order you have to put. For example, parallelly I am taking 2 examples. The first example is nothing but I am taking A plus B. This is the first expression, right? What is the second expression that we have taken? Sir, we have taken, let me take some complex expression, A plus B, okay, into C we have taken. This is the second expression we have taken. Sir, now we are going to evaluate. What is the first? We have to print the operands in the same order they arrive. Sir, can you please check first one? First we have to scan A. Is it operand or not? Yes. So try to print as it is. Sir, can you please scan here? Is it an operand? No, sir. Then we have some other steps are there. If it is operand, we have to print in the same order which they are going to appear. Suppose, sir, it is not operand. It is not operand. So now, so if stack is, okay, if the stack is empty, if the stack is empty, or okay, or it contains, okay, if the stack is empty or it contains open parenthesis, it contains open parenthesis, so on top, so then what we have to do, sir? Then push incoming operator. So okay, push incoming operator. Push incoming operator. Sir, please try to understand. Push means it is a stack operation. Okay, push means it is a stack operation. Now observe carefully. So if the stack is empty or it contains open parenthesis in the top, okay, can you please cross check? In both we are going to take the stacks. In both we are going to take the stacks. Is my stack is empty, sir? Yes. Okay, is my stack is empty? Yes. Or is it contain open parenthesis? No. So it is not containing closed parenthesis and it is not empty. Then what we have to do? If the stack is empty or contain open parenthesis, then push the incoming operator. Sir, what is the incoming operator here? You can see in this first example, the incoming operator is nothing but plus. In this example, the incoming operator, sir, is the stack contains empty, right? We don't have any open parenthesis. Okay. Yeah. So then we have to push this one. That is operator we pushed. But here we have not got operator. we got open parenthesis. Then what we have to do, I will write a separate. So if, okay, if incoming symbol, if incoming symbol is open parenthesis, so then push into stack. Then we have to push it into stack. Sir, in the second case, you can see the incoming symbol is open parenthesis, right? That's why I'm going to push that into the stack, sir. Okay, I push it into the stack. Sir, next, I think these first 3 steps are clear, right? Can you please confirm? Is the 3 steps are clear?
Sir, I have a doubt in first step. You have mentioned tilt operand in the same order they arrive. For example, in this A, like A, we need to print only, we need to do anything. We need not to do anything over the stack for A.
Yeah. We are not, see, I'm explaining step by step. First step is what? We have to print the operands. That means whenever you are scanning, you will get operand, operator, open parenthesis. These are the 3 options that we have, right?
Yes.
So in the first case, if it is operand, directly you have to put it into the result.
Okay.
If the incoming symbol is operator, then we have to check whether stack is empty or it contains open parenthesis. In these 2 cases, we have to push that operator into the stack.
Okay.
Third
Okay,
case,
sir.
if the incoming symbol is open parenthesis, we have to push that open parenthesis as it is in the stack.
Okay. Okay, sir. Clear,
In
sir.
the initial stages. Still, we have
Okay.
a big algorithm is there. Don't worry. Okay.
Yes, 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 sir.
Right. Next. Very, very important step, sir. Please listen carefully. Of course, here we don't have that step now, but please listen. Sir, if incoming symbol, okay, if incoming symbol is, sir, closed parenthesis. If incoming symbol is closed parenthesis, then pop all items into output. Pop all items into output until so open parenthesis came. This is very, very important point. Suppose whatever symbol that you have encountered, is it a closed parenthesis, means we have to pop all the items into the output. We have to pop from stack and we need to put it into the output until open parenthesis came. Unfortunately, this particular point is not available in these 2 examples as of now. Okay, because we encountered first time we got this particular symbol. This is over. Second, we got this symbol. We push it into the stack. This is also completed. Now I got A. So if you got A, then we have to print it on the output or not? Yes, we have to print it on the output. Sir, then we got a plus. So already open parenthesis is there. Now which symbol we got? It is an operator. If stack is empty or it is contain open parenthesis on the top, then push the incoming operator. So we have to insert a plus also, right? In this case. So we have not got a closed parenthesis. Here also we have not got closed parenthesis, and here also we have not got closed parenthesis. But which one we got? B and then B. Is it an operand or not? Yes. If it is operand, directly we can print it on the output or not? Yes. Here we can print B and here we can print B. Now we are going for 5th step. Of course, closed parenthesis is not came. That's why we are lucky in this case. But see, soon we will get. What is the 5th point? Okay, what is the 5th point? Sir, if the precedence, if the priority or precedence, if the precedence of incoming, incoming symbol, okay, incoming operator, if the precedence of incoming operator or incoming symbol, better to write incoming symbol, if the precedence of incoming symbol is so greater than okay, precedence of the symbol existed in the top of stack, in the top of stack, then what we have to do? So that means what? The symbol, one second. Yeah. Sir, if the precedence of incoming symbol is greater than the precedence of the symbol which is existed in the top of the stack. I think here this particular concept is never encountered, but I will explain that later, sir. If such a type of situation came, then what we have to do, sir? Then we have to push that operator. We have to push that symbol, that is incoming symbol, into stack. Okay, we have to push that incoming symbol into stack. This is the operation. Sir, next one. If the incoming symbol, if the precedence of incoming symbol is equal to other, I think better greater than equal to I will put, sir, then it will be fine. If the precedence of the incoming symbol is less than precedence of the operator which is available in the stack, then we have to pop. Okay, so then we have to pop stack. Okay, we have to pop the symbol from stack. We have to pop the symbol from stack and put it into output, sir. Put it into output. We have to insert into output. So then compare. Okay, so then compare. So next operator, next symbol, we have to compare with next symbol. This process is going to be continued, sir. Okay, this process is going to be continued. This is nothing but a sixth step what we have. And the last step, sir, what is the last step here? We have at the end of the expression, we have to pop all the operators after expression reading is completed. So pop all symbols, okay, from stack and push into or and put it into outputs. Now you will see this algorithm how it is going to work. I will take two examples, sir, for you to understand. Listen carefully. First example, let us take A plus B. We need to maintain a stack or not? Yes. So I am taking, this is nothing but my stack. What is the first symbol that I got? A. Sir, is it operand? Yes. Print it on the output screen. Then second symbol is nothing but a plus. Is it an operand? No. First condition not satisfied. Is the stack is empty? Yes, it is empty. Or is it contain open parenthesis? No. Then push the incoming operator, which is the operator that we got a plus. Try to push it into the stack. Then scan the next one. Which condition satisfied? First condition. Then put it into the output. Now, is the stack is empty? No. Is the incoming symbol? All the symbols got extracted. So this condition not satisfied. This condition, this condition, this condition. Pop all the symbols from the stack and put it into the output. So we have to remove this and then we have to put it here. Sir, is it postfix expression for A plus B or not? For A plus B, this is nothing but the postfix expression. Sir, please confirm if it is clear. I will take next complex expression and I will explain. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, this one is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, sir, what is the second example here I am taking? Okay, please listen carefully. The second example which I am going to take here is, already we know, sir, we have taken A plus B. Okay, so A plus, better to take within bracket B into C. Like this I am taking. Now we need a stack or not? Yes, compulsory. Sir, first we are going to get A. We need to print as it is. Then we got a plus. It is a symbol, right? We have to push it into the stack. Sir, then we got open parenthesis. If the incoming symbol is open parenthesis, then push it into the stack. Try to push this symbol into the stack. Then what will happen? Sir, now I got a B. We have to print as it is. Okay. So then we got a star. Sir, we got a star. If the stack, please listen carefully this point. We got a star now. So print operands since it is not operand. If a stack is empty or contain open parenthesis on the top, then push the incoming operator. Sir, here it is not closed parenthesis and my stack is also not empty. It contain open parenthesis. Then immediately we have to push that operator. So then go for next one. Please listen carefully. If open parenthesis is not there, then approach is different. Since open parenthesis is there, this is the approach. Okay, sir, now what we are going to do? Next symbol is C. We have to print as it is or not? Yes. Sir, now scan the next item. It is closed parenthesis. If the stack is empty or open parenthesis, no. Sir, because it is not a symbol, right, operator. If the incoming symbol is closed open parenthesis, no. If the income symbol is closed parenthesis, listen carefully. Pop all the items from the stack into output until open parenthesis came. Sir, we have only one operator is there. What is that operator, sir? Star. Sir, we have to pop this star and we have to pop this open parenthesis also, right? Sir, is the scanning of the operators completed or not? All the symbols got encountered. Then all these conditions are completed. Last check, pop all the symbols from the stack and put it into the output. We have only one symbol is there that I inserted into the stack. This is one case. Sir, same example I am taking without brackets. See what will happen. Sir, I am taking A plus B, okay, into C, like this I am taking. Create a stack. First, what we have to do? Scan the symbol. First symbol is A, put it in the output. Scanned symbol is a plus, put it into the operator. Scanned symbol is B, put it into the output. Scanned symbol is star. Now see, sir, is my, please listen carefully, friends. Now, sir, whatever operator that we got, 1 second. Right. Sir, you can see we got A here, okay, and B is there, plus is pushed into the stack. Next incoming symbol is nothing but a B, that is also pushed into the output. Now we got which operator? Star. Please listen carefully. Please listen carefully. Sir, is it a operand? No. Is it a operator? Yes. When we have to push it into the stack, sir, if your stack is empty or it contains open parenthesis, my stack is not empty and it is not containing any open parenthesis, and these two conditions are failed because it is not brackets. Now, fifth condition, sir, check whether the precedence of incoming symbol. What is the precedence of incoming symbol? Sir, star, okay, is greater than or equal to the precedence of the symbol which is existed in the top of the stack plus. Sir, now we know very well star is having highest priority when compared with the plus. That we know fundamental rule. Sir, this condition satisfied. Then what we have to do? We have to push that symbol into the stack, sir. Okay, we have to push that symbol into the stack. What is the symbol that we got, sir? Star, right? We have to push it into the stack. Sir, then what we have to do? Scan the next one. See, sir, it is a operand. Directly we have to print on the screen. Now next one, sir, expression got completed. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one never comes. Then automatically we are going to get a seventh condition. Pop all the symbols from the stack and put it into the output. Now we got this one. Sir, now you can see here. Sir, please listen carefully. Sir, is this expression, is it same as this expression or not? Yes, because even though you are giving brackets or if you are not giving brackets, addition and multiplication, which one is going to evaluate first? Multiplication. Okay, multiplication. This is nothing but what we have. Sir, I think these three examples are clear for you people. Right, friends? Please confirm. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir, clear, sir.
Please
Sir,
confirm,
what,
friends.
sir, what are the applications of this post-fixed expression, sir? Where can we use it?
We are not going to use this internally. The evaluation of these calculations. Suppose in your calculator, if you are plus giving 1 plus 2, okay, how it is going to be evaluated internally in the sense by using these expressions only.
Okay.
Got it? Right. Sir, I will explain one more example. I think you can see for A plus B into C. For A plus B into C, the output is ABC plus a star. Sir, is it ABC plus a star or star plus? Yeah, star plus came. Sir, now for first two, we are getting perfect result. Now we have to see the third one. What is the third one here we have? Sir, the third expression which I have given is A plus B. I have given brackets for this and then star C. In this case, can you tell me, is the multiplication is going to be performed first or addition is going to be performed first? Can you please tell me?
Multiplication.
Addition, sir.
Addition is going to be performed. Now see how we are going to get output for this. We have to create a stack. Then first symbol is what? Open parenthesis. Sir, it is not operand and it is not stack is not, I mean, this one is going to not going to come. If the incoming symbol is open parenthesis, then we have to push it into the stack. Sir, I push it open parenthesis. Next one is nothing but operand. Try to take. Next one is nothing but a plus symbol. If a stack is empty or it contains open parenthesis, we have to push that plus. Next one we got a B. Then we got a closed parenthesis. If the incoming symbol is closed parenthesis, pop all the items into the output until open parenthesis came. We have to pop all the items and until open parenthesis came, you have to remove this one also. So next symbol is a star. So print all the operands. It is not operand and it is an operator and it is not brackets. So if stack is empty, yes, then we have to push that operator. So that star is pushed. Then we got C. We have to take C here. Then next, is there any expression? No, completely completed. So pop all the symbols from the stack and put it into the output. We have only one symbol is there. That is nothing but a star. Sir, AB plus C star. AB plus C star. Like this we got. Sir, is this is clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Please confirm. Is it clear for you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, we will take any other some complex expression and we will check whether it is going to work or not. Let me take one simple expression, sir. I'm going to take so infix to postfix conversion examples. Yes, you can see there are so many examples are there here. So let us take A star B plus C star D. A star B, C star D. Okay. So A star B plus C star D. What is the output that we are going to get for this, sir? For prefix it is plus, for prefix it is plus AB. Okay, sorry, plus star AB. Okay, and then star CD. This is nothing but a prefix. What is a postfix for this? So AB star, okay, and then CD star and then plus. Now let us cross check whether we are getting this or not. We have to implement this one, sir. Let us have a look once. Sir, I have taken the expression like A star B, okay, plus C star D. Listen carefully. First, we have to scan the operators. First, we got A, print it on the output. Next, scan star. So we have a stack. My stack is initially empty. I'm taking like this. My stack is initially empty, sir. Then what we have to do? We have to push this operator. Star got pushed into the stack. Next, we got a B. Try to take as it is. Next, what is the next one? We have plus. Sir, it is not operand and it is operator, but my stack is not empty and it is not having open parenthesis. It is not open bracket, close bracket, and precedence of incoming symbol. What is the precedence of incoming symbol? It is a plus. Is it greater than or equal to the precedence of this existed string symbol, sir? No, this is false. Then precedence of incoming symbol is that is a plus is less than. Okay, so precedence of a star. Then what we are doing? Pop the symbol from the stack and put it into output. Sir, star we have to take and put it into output. Okay, next What is the next one that we have to do? Scan the next symbol, that is C. Since it is an operand, so this one is popped, right? Now take this as it is. Yes, it is came. So next one is what? A star. Again, we have to check whether stack is empty. Yes, try to push. Okay. So then what will happen? Sir, where plus is there? And then compare the next symbol. We don't have. Sir, if the comparison, I mean, if the popping operation is completed, we have to push that incoming symbol into the stack, sir. That is very, very important. We have to push that incoming symbol. Okay. Better I will add that point. If the precedence of the incoming symbol compare to the next symbol, so else push that symbol into the stack. Sir, I got a plus into the stack. Then what we have to do? The next symbol which we got is a C. I printed on the output. Then star we got. Sir, these conditions are not satisfied. Check the precedence of incoming symbol. It is a star. Is it greater than or equal to the available symbol, sir? Yes. Then what will happen? We have to push that symbol. Okay, we have to push that symbol into the stack. Sir, now in addition to plus, we got a star. Next, what will happen? We have D. Try to push that item into the output. Then all the operators scanning got completed. We have last operation. Pop all the symbols. We have to pop multiplication first and then plus. Is it my result or not? Yes. Like you can take any example and practice with these steps, sir. Definitely you people are going to get idea. Can you please confirm, is this concept is clear for you people, friends?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you see another example that have a parentheses, flower bracket, and a square bracket?
Sir, no, sir, you can do that because you generally in the expressions we are going to give equality for what you can call parentheses, sir. So we won't use all the parentheses. You have to use only single parenthesis, which is nothing but functional brackets is there, right? We have to take that brackets only. In the expression, we won't use square brackets and parentheses, flower brackets. We won't use. Okay. Right. Right, sir. Anyway, we have to see program for this. Sir, another two programs are there. With that, we can able to wind up this stack. What are those another two programs is nothing but this one. I told in the beginning itself. Yeah. So bottom insert completed. Reverse of the stack is also seen. Balance parenthesis is completed. Sir, if you know how to convert infix to postfix, conversion from infix to prefix is very easy. And we are going to see the evaluation of postfix. Automatically evaluation of prefix will become very easy. We have only two programs are there to demonstrate. Just we will give some 5 minutes break and then we will implement this program. Okay. So I will take today up to 10 o'clock, sir. I will wind up this stack. Okay. Another some 20 minutes class is there. Just I need to take some break for 5 minutes. Okay. So go and refresh, break for 5 minutes. Yeah. Sir, please confirm. Am I audible? Is my voice is clear? Please confirm.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yes, sir, clear, sir.
Okay. So we will start the implementation of this program. Can we start?
Yes.
Right. So
Yes,
let
sir.
us see. Sir, it is a very simple, sir. Actually, whatever I told in Java, it is very difficult to implement this. Okay. But in Python, it is very simple, sir. So implementation of, okay, otherwise infix to prefix, infix to postfix conversion implementation. Let us see how we can able to do this program, sir. Sir, it is a very simple algorithm. I will define a function. Some functions are required here. The first function is nothing but precedence, because internally system know what is a precedence, but we don't know, right? That's why we have to define that. I will write code later. Now I am writing a function like infix to, okay, infix to postfix conversion. This is the function. We are going to give an expression, right? We will give an expression. In this expression, we have to convert. We are going to get the return value. Okay. And consider I'm going to call this a function like infix to, okay, infix to postfix function we are going to call. So we are going to pass some expressions. For example, what is the first expression that we have given? A plus B is the first expression. Okay. So next same process we are going to do for A plus, so B into C we have to take. And the third one, we have to take A plus B plus C. Like this we have, right? And I think one more thing we have taken here, this one. Let us check all these 4 cases. Sir, now we have to implement the code. What is the first code here is infix to postfix conversion. In this case, I'm going to maintain a stack, sir. I'm going to represent the stack in the form of a list. Then, sir, I'm going to convert the given expression into the strings. Okay, like I'm going to take, sir, can I take like this? Expression dot split. Can I take like this? Let us print these tokens and let us see what will happen.
List. It will be converted in the form of list.
So you can see we got a list format. Okay. Yeah. So we got this total thing in the form of a list. Okay. We got the total thing in the form of a list where we need to take the tokens one by one. Is it correct?
I don't think so. Sir, we can use typecasting here. Directly we can convert.
We can
List
convert
of
it into list, right?
Yes, yes. Directly we can
So
convert.
that automatically we are going to get all the tokens, if I am not
Yes.
wrong. Yes, we are getting all the tokens individually. This is our requirement only, right? That's why we have converted into tokens. Sir, after this, what we are going to do? We need output also, right? Initially, I'm going to take output, or I will take in the form of result. My result is equal to initially empty. We have a stack is there. We have tokens are there. We have result is there. Now we have to scan the data and we have to apply. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 conditions we have to apply. That's all. Beyond that, nothing. Sir, what is the first condition? For each token, okay, for each token from, okay, for each token or from each item in tokens, I'm going to get the values one by one, sir. Sir, now if the item, okay, if the item is in, so plus, minus, multiplication, division, if any one of these came, then what is the meaning? Is it operator or not? Yes, it is the operator. So whenever operator is coming, we have to do certain operation that we will write later. Else, sir, it is not operator. Then if the item is equal to, sir, open parenthesis, then what we have to do, sir? We know this operation, right? So we have to push that into the stack. How we are going to push that into the stack? We will append as it is. If you want, you can see in the algorithm. Sir, this one I have not implemented. So this one I have not implemented. So now I have verified whether it is open bracket. If it is open bracket, then we have to push it into the stack. That implementation I have done. Sir, it is not open bracket. So L if is the item whatever you are getting, is it a closed parenthesis? Okay, sir, is the item is closed parenthesis means we will write later. Sir, else it is not operator, it is not open parenthesis, it is not closed parenthesis, then definitely it is an expression, right? I mean, it is an operand, right? What we have to do, you need to append this into the result. Result is equal to already available result plus we have to take that item, sir. We are going to take that item, automatically it will be added. This process we have to complete for every token. Okay, we are going to scan the token one by one. If it is operand, then is it operator? No. Is it open parenthesis? No. Is it closed parenthesis? No. Then add it to the output. We will get A. Then, sir, I got a plus symbol. Next token is plus. Is it operator? Yes. We have to check. So what we have to do? We need to verify in the stack. Sir, is the outline is clear for you people up to this? Please confirm.
Yes, sir, clear.
Please confirm, everyone. Is the outline structure is clear? Please confirm, friends. Right. Sir, now if the item is operator, what we are going to do? Sir, very simple. If it is operator, then we are going to check whether the length of the stack is not equal to 0. That means is the stack is not empty. So at the same time, we are going to check the precedence. Already we have precedence function is there, right? So precedence of the item whatever you got, is it less than or equal to the precedence of the element which is available in the stack at a topmost element? Sir, I am not doing removal operation, just I am checking the precedence. Sir, if the incoming operator priority is less than the already available priority, then what we have to do? Sir, we have to pop one item from the stack. Whatever item that you have popped, that you need to add to the output. That is nothing but result. Your result is equal to already available result plus pop. So this operation we are going to repeat until the greater priority came or until your stack will become empty. Sir, then what we are going to do? If this condition is satisfied, then we are going to append that particular item. Append that particular item. So into stack, sir. Now listen carefully. Suppose consider I have given A plus B and then like this. Sir, I got A in the output. Then the item which we got is an operator. Now, is the length of the stack is not equal to 0? No. My length is 0, right? We don't have any elements. Then what will happen? Directly we are appending that into the stack. Suppose already, sir, I have an expression like this. A plus B, okay, minus C, like this we have. Then the incoming symbol is nothing but we are printing A and we will push that plus into this and B will be added here. Now I got operator. Sir, is my stack is not empty? Yes, it is not empty. And check the precedence of this minus. Is the minus is having less than or equal to the precedence of a plus? Condition satisfied. Then what we are doing? Pop the item. So we have to remove this plus and where we need to add that plus in the output. Then after coming out from this, is the stack is empty? Yes, coming out from this, yes dot append of item. What is the item that we have? Minus, right? We have to push it into the stack. Okay, sir, is whenever the operator is coming, is this operation is clear for you people? Yes, please confirm.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir. Then we have only one operation is there, very, very important operation. That is whenever we are getting closing parenthesis. Then what we have to do, sir? We have to pop all items into output until you got open parenthesis. Until you are getting open parenthesis, we have to pop all the items from the stack and you need to append to the output. Sir, how to do that? This process I am taking. Okay, I am taking while the length of the stack is not equal to 0. And what we have to do, sir, here s of -1, okay, is not equal to open parenthesis. Can I take like this? If it is not open parenthesis, so then what we have to do, sir, your output will become, so output plus, so can I take s dot, okay, s dot pop, yes, that will be popped and it will be added to the output, sir. Whenever we are getting length is not equal to 0, at the same time is the topmost item is open parenthesis, then we have to until you are not getting open parenthesis, we have to pop all the items and we have to put it into the stack, right? Sir, these are nothing but various operations what we have. Sir, after this, a stack may contain the data. How you can overcome that? We have to pop all the items from the stack, right? Until your length of the stack is not equal to 0. So you need to pop all the items into the output. Output or result. Result is equal to, so result plus s dot pop. Okay, I think here also we have to take result. So until stack is empty, we have to do. At last, we have to return the value of result. But we have to write code for precedence. Sir, if the value of x is double equal to plus a symbol, okay, or if the value of x is equal to minus a symbol, these two are having least priority. Okay, these two are having least priority. Let us consider one. If your x is equal to multiplication or if your x is equal to division, these are having somewhat highest priority. Sir, beyond that, I'm not giving anything. So next, other than this, if you are getting any symbol, then I'm going to return. Okay, then I'm going to return highest priority as a 4. Of course, other than this, we won't get any symbol, sir. Okay, like this I have. Almost the program is completed, but maybe 1 or 2 errors, there may be a chance. Sir, have a look once. AB plus. Is it correct? AB plus. 1 second. Yeah. So we have AB plus is there. Is it correct? AB plus. Sir, then we have ABC star plus. AB. Okay. Sir, whenever open parenthesis, we have to ignore that. So ABC, except that parenthesis, ABC star plus, right? And then AB plus C star. Okay, AB star CD plus. Sir, whenever we are getting the brackets, we have to remove that. How to write code? Where we are going to get the brackets? Here only, right? Here only we are going to get the brackets. Sir, what I can able to do? So if your s of -1 is not equal to, okay, if s of -1 is not equal to open parenthesis, then try to do that. If it is open parenthesis, simply pop that item. Simply pop that item. Otherwise, I can do like this. Something like some temporary variable is equal to s dot pop. Okay, sir, if temp is not equal to, if temp is not equal to open parenthesis, then append that temp. So if it is open parenthesis, we won't add into the result. Now let me do that. Is it going to work? Now it is coming. 1 second.
Sir,
Uh-huh.
I have a doubt. Why you are considering it like top? Why you are considering the stack top? Because if item is closing bracket, then we need to pop everything. So if my item is equal to closing bracket, then we can pop. That's it.
No, sir. If you have, for example, in the stack, Already I have something like A plus B like this. If you
Yes,
have,
yes.
okay, star C.
Mhm.
In the input stack, we are going to push A, right?
Yes.
And then A will be there in the output, and we got a plus, we have to
Yes.
push, and B is there. Then the incoming symbol is nothing but open parenthesis.
Yes.
So what we have to do, your stack is not empty, and until you are getting this open parenthesis, we have to pop all the items, right?
Yes.
So is top is not equal to open parenthesis. Yes, it is not equal to. Then we are going to pop this item. Plus will be there. Okay, we are going to pop this item plus. And is this plus is equal to is not equal to this one? Yes. Then we are going to push that into the stack. I mean output. So then we are going to check one more time. We are going to remove this. Then we are going to check one more time. Is the stack is empty? No. And S of -1 is not equal to open parenthesis, but it is
Oh.
equal to open parenthesis. Here the problem is coming, right?
Condition.
I think first time we should not take like this. How to overcome this? Better I will do one thing. Here I will take initially the value of a temp is equal to no value is there. Now is the temp is not equal to, okay, is the temp is not equal to open parenthesis. Now see, initially my temp is nothing but none, no value is there. Then it is not equal to open parenthesis. Yes, then your temp is replaced with open parenthesis. Okay, if it is not equal to open parenthesis, then we will append. If it is open parenthesis, we won't append. So when it is going to run successfully, so when you have multiple brackets, we will get the problem. That is the reason why I have taken initial value as a none. I think we will check. I think so now, at least now it should work. No, still we are getting. Whenever open parenthesis, length of the stack is not equal to, and this temp is not equal to open parenthesis. Try to pop the item. And if it is not equal to closed parenthesis, we are going to append that temp. Correct only, but inside the stack, first token is open parenthesis. We are going to push into this, and we got a output, we got a plus, we will push it into the stack. If it is a plus, length of the stack is not empty. So the problem here, precedence of this operator we have not given. Maybe that is the reason why it is adding. Okay, 1 second. I will give priority for this. So if your x is equal to open parenthesis, when we are getting, I will return the least priority 0. Yeah, perfect. So because see in the algorithm, you can check here. 1 second. Sir, first we are getting this token. Sir, is that token is there in this? No. Is the token is open parenthesis? Yes. Then it is going to push it into the stack. Then we got next token as a. Please listen carefully. Next token is A. We are printing in the output. Next token is a plus. It is there in this. So what will happen is that plus should be pushed into the stack. But before that, it will do this condition, right? Is the length of the stack is empty? Yes. And the precedence of the item. What is the item that we got? Plus, right? So the precedence of this plus. What is the precedence of this plus? 1. Okay. The precedence of a plus, that is 1. Is it less than or equal to the precedence of S of -1? What is the S of -1? Before putting plus, we have open parenthesis. So other than this, if you are having anything, then we have 4. Sir, is 1 is less than or equal to 4? Previously, the condition is true. That's why what will happen? We are going to pop this open bracket and then we are putting into the result. So now what I have given, I have changed this priority to 0. The condition is fail, then that symbol alone will be added. So brackets are having 0 priority, like this I have given. Is the concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
This is the modification what we need to do. I think now you can see perfectly we are getting output for everything, sir. Sir, is this infix to prefix implementation, sorry, infix to postfix implementation, is it clear for everyone, friends? Please confirm.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Right.
Yes,
So
sir.
next one, sir, next algorithm is a very simple algorithm, sir. What is the algorithm that we have next one?
Okay.
So steps to convert infix to prefix. Sir, it is a very simple, nothing is there. These many steps are not there. Only 3 steps. Infix to prefix form, how we can do. Sir, very simple, sir. First step is nothing but we have to reverse the given expression. Okay, we have to reverse the given expression. What is the second step, sir? Okay, so we have to replace all the open parentheses with closed parenthesis, okay, and closed parenthesis with open parenthesis. Like this we have to replace. So then what is the third step? We have to apply infix to, so postfix conversion. Okay, postfix conversion. We have to apply this infix to postfix. At last, sir, reverse the generated output. It's a very simple algorithm, sir. Now let us take what is the first example that we have covered, a plus b, right? So what we are going to do, first step, reverse the given expression. We will get b plus a and replace the brackets. We don't have any brackets. Apply infix to postfix. Consider this is nothing but my infix expression. We have to convert it into postfix. So what is the postfix? ba plus, right? Then whatever result we got, we have to reverse that. So what is the reverse that we are getting? Plus ab is nothing but, so prefix for this ab plus. Let us take one more example, sir, with brackets. We have a plus b is there within brackets star c. So for this we have to do. So what is the result that we have to do? Sir, reverse the expression c into, so this bracket will come like this. Sorry, this is the bracket, and then b, and then plus, and then a, and this is the bracket. Replace open parenthesis with closed parenthesis, and replace closed parenthesis open parenthesis. Then what we have to do? Apply infix to postfix. If you apply infix to postfix, what will happen? I think you are going to get some result. Sir, is it we need to evaluate this actually. C will be there as it is in the output. Star we have to push it into the queue, I mean stack. Then open parenthesis came, that we have to insert into the queue. Then we got a B. Okay, then we got a B. So we have to take, is it correct? Okay, we will execute and we will see, sir. Sir, is the concept is clear, right?
Yes.
Now let us see what is the conversion here. Sir, program is the same. I'm not going to do any modification. One more extra function I will define. What is that function? Infix to prefix conversion function I am going to take. So this function is going to take same like expression it is going to take. And I will do some modification. What is the first step, sir? Okay. So what is the first step, sir? So we have to perform a reverse operation. Okay, we have to perform a reverse operation. Your expression will become, sir, expression of colon -1. Your total expression is going to be reversed. What is the next one, sir? We have to apply, okay, we have to replace the parenthesis. So your expression will become, I will take replace parenthesis for this given expression. Sir, let us write replace parenthesis function. Okay, replace parenthesis I am going to take. What this replace parenthesis is going to take? It will substitute Okay, open parenthesis with closed parenthesis and closed parenthesis with open parenthesis. Okay, replace. I am taking this expression, and how I am going to write? I will write a new string with empty data. So while for each item I in the expression, so if your item is equal to open parenthesis, so then your S will become S plus closed parenthesis. So if your I is equal to closed parenthesis, so then S is equal to S plus, we have to replace with open parenthesis. Other than this, if you are getting anything, your S will become S plus I. That's all right. At last, we have to return the value of S. Sir, now replacement is also done. Then what we have to do? We have to apply infix to postfix. Already we have infix to, already we have infix to postfix conversion is there. Same expression I am going to give. Sir, after this, what we have to do? Again, we have to reverse that expression. Okay, colon, colon, minus 1. That's all right. And finally, we need to return the new expression what we got. Let me try to apply. So infix to prefix, let it be postfix as well as prefix, both we will see. Sir, whatever postfix that we got here already we have seen in the table. So prefix is plus ab, postfix is ab plus, prefix is nothing but plus ab. Let me check these two is coming or not. Sir, ab plus ab, yes. Now we have to apply for this. So it is nothing but a prefix conversion. So for a plus bc, okay, for a plus bc, what is the, or a plus bc, prefix is nothing but a plus abc we are expecting. Prefix is nothing but a plus abc we are expecting. Sir, postfix is nothing but we are taking abc plus. Postfix is nothing but we are taking abc plus. Is it correct? Abc plus, but here plus abc we have to get, but you can see there we disturbed the algorithm, right? We have written code only for open parenthesis. Now we need to change that. Which one, sir? This logic is going to be completely different. We have to change this one. Okay, that we will do later. Okay, try to do by yourself, sir. That one, is it coming or not? You can intimate me later. Okay, sir. Now I'm going to take this one for ab plus. Okay, for a plus b, this is nothing but a prefix what we have. This is nothing but a prefix what we are going to get, and this is nothing but a postfix. For postfix it is coming correctly, but for prefix we have to modify the code. Okay, and for this postfix and then prefix, let us see the output. Sir, this is nothing but what we have. So just brackets alone is coming in the postfix, I mean prefix conversion, that we can rectify in this function. We can do small modification. I will do it, even you can try from your side. Sir, is this concept is clear up to this? Please confirm.
Yes, sir. So why this is happening? Brackets.
Brackets, that's what, sir, I'm checking, because
Yeah.
in the postfix something is wrong. We are checking only for
Actually,
one bracket parenthesis.
like we don't use none, whatever previous logic we have used, that will be good, I think. Temp of -1 is equal to that one, that will also give you the same answer. I think because of this we are getting this answer. We
Yes,
can
of
take S of
-1.
is not
This
equal.
one is not required.
Yes.
No, I think so. We will see. Now we are getting in the postfix also we are getting. See, when we have multiple brackets are there, then definitely problem will come, sir. So that is the reason why we are going to take that. You can see.
Sorry, here Elif.
No, here let me give
Around
priority.
20. 20, sir.
For x is equal to this one also. 1 second, sir. For this one also, I will give priority as 0. No, it is not coming. Line number.
20.
Actually, sir, is the replacement is done? That is my question, sir. Because before returning, try to print the value of s. Where the problem is coming, I think for these brackets, right? So I will activate these two first. Remaining thing, I will put it in a comment because we need to check here. I printed the value. Let me check. Here the problem is coming. A plus ABC. This one is good. But for this one, reverse is nothing but open parenthesis. C we got and B we got. Okay, and closed parenthesis also we got. But one more extra bracket is coming, sir. That is the mistake. Can you please cross check here? Is this function is doing any wrong? Initially string is empty. For each I.
Sir, in string we are having replace function directly. We can use that function. Sir. It will work.
We can do that, but 2 times we have to replace, right?
We can directly use replace function at 47 line. 47 line. Yeah, string name is my expn dot replace. That's it. Expn dot replace. And the old substring is my closing bracket. I need to replace with. Replace with.
Same thing. I have to take open parenthesis means.
But the point is the string is mutable. Yes, it will create a new object. But both the cases, new object will be created. No, it will not work.
It is not working, sir.
Yeah, because the string is mutable. Immutable.
Here only the problem is coming. 1 second. We can rectify this, sir. What is the given input symbol here? We have A plus B into C. Okay. So let us trace out A plus B into C is coming. We have to replace this parenthesis. That is my target. Now I created a new string. String is initially empty. For each I in the expression, this is the first one. Is it equal to open parenthesis? No. Is it equal to closed parenthesis? No. Then append to the yes. Okay. So then what we are going to get? Already this one got reversed, right?
Yes.
Open parenthesis C star. So B open parenthesis plus A. For this we have to apply.
Why open parenthesis after P we will see?
Correct?
Yes.
Now we will try to apply. Now let us cross check. So the first string is empty. For each I, it is open parenthesis. Once we are getting open parenthesis, then we have to use closed parenthesis. Okay, that is appended to the string. Okay. Now the next symbol is nothing but a C. So C is a not open parenthesis, not closed parenthesis. So append directly. And we have star is there. Star is also not these things. Take as it is. Then we have a B. B is also normal operation. Then we have open parenthesis is there. Then we are taking closed parenthesis. So then we have a plus symbol. Plus symbol. It is not open parenthesis. It is not closed parenthesis. So we have to take as it is. Then we are going to take A. A is not any one of these. Then we are going to put A. Correct only, right?
Yes.
But why in the output? What is the problem in the output? C into B. One more parameter is coming. If it is open parenthesis, we have to replace with closed parenthesis. If it is closed parenthesis, we have to replace with open parenthesis. Correct only, right, sir? Sorry. Correct, right?
Yes. Okay. We can do one more thing. We can use print statement after, like, in both the brackets, just use print statement, so we will get our answer. For
Sir.
that. Instead of returning here, we are not going to return anything. When I am using I is equal to close the opening and closing bracket, there itself we can use print statement so that we will get the updated string at that point. Yeah, here you can use in I is equal to closing bracket, we can use print s, and with this one, in both the cases, we will get like where the issue is coming.
I'm not getting you, sir. Can you
Sir,
please?
in sixth line, after sixth line, we can use print of s. So whenever issue is coming at this point, issue is coming, we will rectify this issue. We will get the answer here itself. Yeah, it is good, I think. It is good. First one is C into B. Yes, first one is correct. After that, second statement, print statement. For second, I use print statement. We are having C into B.
We are giving.
This bracket is coming because of this error is coming. Like we are getting first bracket. Because of this first bracket, we are getting this.
This is very simple logic, sir. This one. See, we don't have any problem with expressions, but we have a small issue with this.
Yes.
So when it is open parenthesis, I am appending closed parenthesis. When it is closed parenthesis, I am appending open parenthesis.
Can we use else if? Else if, can you use else if?
No. Here we
condition.
don't have any problem with this. We have a problem. Oh, you are telling. Yes.
Only use
correct,
if,
sir.
so
Who
if
is speaking?
Pankaj.
Correct. The problem here is he identified the problem. See, the issue here is this is the input symbol which we have given. So for this, once if you are getting, it is scanning from here. We got open parenthesis. It is closed parenthesis. It is substituted. Okay, no problem. Then next one, as it is a C is there and into B is there. Okay. So like this we have, but next character we are not getting, right? From here only we are scanning the data. From here only we are scanning the data. Okay, I will do one thing. We will try to keep ELF and we will check. Now it is ignoring. Yeah, we will do that modification here. Sir, please cross check once how it is working. Just trace out. I think now it is coming. No, it is not coming. 1 second. We have to run test.py. Sir, is it removed the brackets? Yes. Why it is not coming in the sense, maybe after this one, again it is going to check the condition. But now among these, any one condition is going to be satisfied. But previously this condition is evaluated. At the same time, this condition is evaluated. That is the mistake, I think so. You can cross check it later, sir, how it is working. Better I will remove these comments and we will check in all possible cases, is it coming or not. Yeah. So AB star plus So I think here in the functions, we are not required to print that. Now you can see, sir, ABC star plus ABBC plus ABBC plus A, okay, plus A star BC and AB plus AB, okay, AB plus AB. Sir, next one ABC star, then plus ABC we need to get. So, but here we are getting bracket again. The problem is coming here. Infix to postfix, infix to prefix. So brackets are creating some problems here. Okay, we will see later, sir. Just try to execute up to this.
Sir, in that example, have extra bracket we have, I think. In that example, we have extra bracket.
Where, sir? Oh, okay, okay. Here we have given extra parenthesis. Today, full mind was not working properly. Huh? Right. So I think you people got a very clear clarity how we are going to do this in reverse case. Sir, is the concept is clear? Please confirm everyone.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. Anyway, we have one more topic is there that we will discuss in the next session. Evaluation of a prefix and postfix. Once if we evaluate any one expression, that is sufficient because we have algorithm is there, right? By using that we can do. So I will finish this and I will immediately start a queue data structure. So this will be there in the tomorrow's session, sir. Try to use the same link for tomorrow's session. So same timing, we are going to take 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Tomorrow also, please try to attend. We will finish that queue also because queue is that much difficulty level is not there. Only basic operations that we have to perform. That's why I request everyone to please attend tomorrow as usual. That yesterday's class compensation. Tomorrow, please attend from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, sir. Within that 2 hours, we will wind up this queue. Okay. So thank you for your time, and I will upload these stack notes after some 10 or 15 minutes. Okay. I need to have my dinner and then I will upload. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir.